Welcome to Novotech. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Chat GPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. The chatbot has a language-based model that the developer fine-tunes for human interaction in a conversational manner. Effectively, it's a simulated chatbot primarily designed for customer service. People use it for various other purposes too, though. These range from writing essays, to drafting business plans, to generating code. But what is it, and what can it really do? If you are new to Chat GPT, this guide is for you, so continue watching. What is Chat GPT? It is an AI chatbot auto-generative system created by OpenAI for online customer care. It is a pre-trained generative chat, which makes use of NLP, or natural language processing. The source of its data is textbooks, websites, and various articles, which it uses to model its own language for responding to human interaction. This chatbot system provides information and responses to inquiries through AI. The popular version of ChatGPT is the GPT-3 model. What is ChatGPT used for? The main feature of ChatGPT is generating responses, like those humans would provide, in a text box. Therefore, it is suitable for chatbots, AI system conversations, and virtual assistants. However, it can also give natural answers to questions in a conversational tone, and can generate stories, poems, and more. Moreover, it can write code, write an article or blog post, translate, debug, write a story/poem, recommend chords and lyrics. To make the AI carry out one of these demands, all you need to do is type the command into the chatbot. What is ChatGPT Pro? ChatGPT Pro is a rumored professional subscription plan for OpenAI's ChatGPT. The service was hinted to cost around $42 per month. Surprisingly, the professional plan has not yet been introduced since the reports were first spread at the start of the year. However, OpenAI has recently released a subscription service, but under a different name, ChatGPT Plus. This plan offers users exclusive benefits, including priority access and faster response times. Costing only $20 a month, this option is significantly cheaper than Pro. What is ChatGPT trained on? It relies on NLP, or natural language processing. It's an excellent tool for researchers and developers working on various NLP projects, and it has many specific tasks, domains, and applications available to work within. It is well trained on biased data and unbiased data, in the form of textbooks, articles, and websites. ChatGPT can reproduce data outputs and reliability, crucial for many sensitive apps and other valuable AI systems. However, it is still prone to error and biases, and depends on its training data, provided in 2021. As humans, we are more and more interacting with AI-powered machines, and ChatGPT is a revolution in the field of AI. It is a robust model, and particularly advanced, thanks to its deep learning capabilities and NLP. Ultimately, it can generate human-like answers, and is easily understandable to users, though that doesn't always make it right. What is ChatGPT coded in? ChatGPT is built on the GPT-3 language model, developed by OpenAI. Although the source code for GPT-3 hasn't been released, a post on the Stack Exchange site suggests that GPT-3 is written in the same model and architecture as GPT-2. The post goes on to state that the GPT-2 source code is 100% Python. The application itself is apparently capable of providing code in Python, C++, and JavaScript, should it be prompted to create any. What is ChatGPT 4? There is no ChatGPT 4. The current application made available by OpenAI is built upon something called the GPT 3.5 language model. In other words, GPT 3.5 acts as the brains behind the infamous chatbot. In recent news, OpenAI has released a brand spanking new, large multimodal model, GPT 4. This new model will be implemented into ChatGPT in the next coming weeks, which will allow users to feed the bot images and videos to generate a text response. So, strictly speaking, there will not be a ChatGPT 4, but there will be an updated version of ChatGPT, which uses GPT-4 infrastructure. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about what ChatGPT is. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for content just like it.